Hi guys, how's it going? Today we'll be downloading packet tracer for this M1 MacBook Pro 2020. It is pretty straightforward once you download from packet tracer and install it, and it does run nice and smoothly. So from here, click on the download button and it will click on allow, and it will download packet tracer. Once it's downloaded, click on it and it will install. Double click on that and it will ask for security and privacy. Say open and install it. Agree the terms and conditions. And put your password in. And it's installing it now. So Cisco packet tracer and ask for password again. So yeah, it has been running smoothly on my new MacBook Pro without any issues. And then it will ask for your email address and password. Sign in. Once you sign in, it is up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.